Further versus farther. In this lesson, you will learn the differences between two words farther versus further. Example sentences are included to help you understand the use of them clearly. Using further. We use further when talking about figurative or non-physical distance. Examples. There is room for further improvement in English. Please contact our agent in Spain for further information. These results are a further proof of his outstanding ability. Further discussion on the proposal will be deferred until April. You can only gain by further study. One day she wandered further afield. The market reacted by falling a further 2 points. For further information on the diet, write to us at this address. It's senseless to continue any further. Further information can be obtained from head office. The incident has further increased tension between the two countries. This election result could well lead to further bloodshed. Using farther. We use farther when talking about physical distance. The farther north they went, the colder it became. Distance is not terrible, terrible is farther and farther. Each step could not follow you, see the farther the distance more walk but. How much farther is it to the airport? Go farther and fare worse. I waded farther out as the tide ebbed. I am tired and cannot walk any farther. The fog's so thick, I can't see farther than about 10 meters. His voice carried farther than mine. The new stadium is on the farther side of the river. We decided not to go any farther. I can't run any farther, she panted. Both of my sisters moved even farther away from home.